Will you tell Parrot which of the following statements are true and which are false? Croton plants become dry and limp when the soil is dry. True. Corn cannot be made into flour. False. Farmers who cannot repay their loans fall into a debt trap. True. Earthworms turn waste into natural fertilizers. True. Chemical fertilizers are not harmful at all. False. Shall we help Bert fill in the blanks now? It is always better to take a loan from a than a money lender. Bank. It is always better to take a loan from a bank than a money lender. Seeds need less water to grow. Stored seeds need less water to grow. In earlier days, farmers used instead of chemical fertilizers. Cow dung. In earlier days, farmers used cow dung instead of chemical fertilizers. Nowadays, are generally used to plow the fields. Tractors. Nowadays, tractors are generally used to plow the fields. Saves and stores good seeds from the earlier harvest for the next crop. Seed saver A seed saver saves and stores good seeds from the earlier harvest for the next crop. In some villages, seeds are saved and stored in a seed bank. In some villages, seeds are saved and stored in a seed bank. Stored seeds are given to the farmers only if they promise to return of seeds that they take. Double the amount. Stored seeds are given to the farmers only if they promise to return double the amount of seeds that they take. Will you help Buzz match the harvest festivals with the states in which they are celebrated? Pongal, Tamil Nadu, Bihu, Assam, Lori, Punjab, Bhogi, Andhra Pradesh, Makar Sankranti, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Onam, Kerala. Friends, just look at these pictures carefully.
Cooked, ready to eat roti. Harvesting of the wheat crop. Kneading flour into dough. Rolling of roti. Wheat grains. Flour. Grinding of grains. Cooking of roti. Separation of grains.
There are different steps by which wheat from the field turns to roti in your plate. Will you help me put them in order?
Harvesting of the wheat crop. Separation of grains. Wheat grains. Grinding of grains. Flour. Kneading flour into dough. Rolling of roti. Cooking of roti. Cooked. Ready to eat roti. Harvesting of the wheat crop. Separation of grains. Wheat grains. Grinding of grains. Flour. Kneading flour into dough. Rolling of roti. Cooking of roti. Cooked. Ready to eat roti.
Shall we answer the following questions now? You can also write the answers in your notebook. How did farmers plow the fields in the olden days? In olden days, most of the farmers used bullocks to pull the plow when they wanted to prepare their fields. How are fields plowed these days? Nowadays, some farmers still use bullocks to plow their fields. But many farmers have started using tractors to plow their fields. Who is a seed saver? A seed saver is a farmer who saves and stores good seeds from the earlier harvest and uses them for cultivation in the next season. How does a seed saver save seeds? After every harvest, the seed saver picks and saves some good seeds. Then the seed saver stores such seeds in a mud pot till it is time for the seeds to be used. These days, where do farmers get their seeds from? These days, most of the farmers buy new seeds from the market. How are stored seeds better than seeds bought from the market? Stored seeds need less water to grow than seeds bought from the market. Seeds bought from the market are easily affected by harmful insects. Seeds bought from the market are also very expensive. Therefore, stored seeds are better than the seeds bought from the market. What are chemical fertilizers? How are they used? Sometimes harmful insects destroy the crops. Chemical fertilizers are medicines that are sprayed onto the crops to keep away the insects from eating the crops. Do you know what the word technique means? A technique means a method or a process of doing a particular thing. Example, technique of farming means a method of doing farming. Do you think earthworms are soil's best friend? If so, why? Earthworms keep digging the soil to make tunnels. This softens the soil and so air and water enter the soil easily. Earthworms also eat dead leaves and plants, and their droppings become natural fertilizers. That is why earthworms are soil's best friends. Friends, can you find out how these flowers are called in the language that you speak? Wheat flour, gram flour, rice flour, corn flour. Goodbye, friends!
And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.